What do we say?
What's up, everybody? It's Angry Aliens 19389. We're doing another unboxing video. We got William, we got James, we got me, who is Delta. Let's go.
Thank you, Haywired.
Thank you, Haywired, who is sponsored.
Haywired sponsored us.
goBilda.
Thank you so much.
What is Haywired?
What? Haywired?
Just go.
I don't remember their number.
Thank you, Haywired Robotics.
There's a 3 in there.
18095.
18095.
There's not a 3.
Thank you. Yeah, you're insane. goBilda starter kit. What's this one?
Yeah.
Not Freight Frenzy.
It doesn't matter which one they are. They're the same.
No, they're not.
Yeah, they are.
Does it come in a... Ooh! It comes in a fancy... Oh, look at it. Yeah?
I'm excited over the receipt.
That's
What's-
not a receipt,
look at
it's
it.
got a
It's got a
measuring
little
tool.
ruler
Oh.
keychain.
That'll be helpful.
Oh,
And this is,
oh my gosh, this is
illegal.
packaged so nicely. What's it?
it's packing information.
Oh, should we... Wait. Wait,
Eh,
please.
Oh, it's heavy.
Yeah.
It's really heavy.
It looks
Ooh.
It's got a nice package. Don't do that.
Yeah, no, we're gonna
Gently.
make a upside down shape.
Okay. It's another box.
A box in a box.
And we'll put that box in another
How
box.
innovative.
And then we'll mail it to
I
ourselves.
didn't know Isma was still alive.
She
Alright.
doesn't die.
What are we doing? Wait, are you just... Okay. Thank you, Haywired. Another box?
It's the same box.
You just took the scarf off the box.
Yeah. Oh.
Don't cut yourself. Or any of the stuff inside.
Did you chum? No, you just-
Don't cut cards, James.
This night's gonna be so much more exciting than you thought.
Gone bad. Unboxing gone bad.
goBilda kit unboxing gone bad.
Yay.
James dies. Oh my gosh.
Stickers.
Would die immediately. I would at least have
Stickers.
Oh my gosh. There's so many bags. They're each individually. Okay. Thank you.
I like turtles.
C channels. Let's go. Or U channels. U channels.
They're the same
U
shape.
channels.
Is that what, is it branding?
Yes.
Motor.
Yellow jackets for us.
Oh my gosh. Yellow jacket. James. Would you like goBilda?
James is so excited.
James is very happy to be here.
I'm not sure what most of this is.
These are C channels. They're for
This
the
is the
robots.
motor. This is the spinny boy.
Yeah, spinny boy. We got
See, these are
Short
the
side
baby
C channel.
C channels.
Oh, these are C channels. No,
They
these are
need
U
to grow
channels.
up.
I'm so confused.
These are C channels. They're more like
Oh, bad.
I feel like you're going through the alphabet right now.
parentheses.
There's only two letters.
No.
C's and U's.
Servos. You know what these are.
We love their
Their
servos.
servos are pretty.
They're like motors, but
This servo kit should come with 4, I believe.
yes. 2 torque and 2 speed. Another bag.
Oh my
There's a tool.
gosh.
There's a tool in there.
Just,
At least one. I do see the Allen wrench though.
these are so long. Do these fit within
An
my
Allen
requirement?
wrench.
Yes. It is 18 inches, I believe.
Okay.
It might be
Exactly 18.
it might be
This.
slightly less. I'm not sure.
Standoffs.
A lot.
Standoff.
Ooh.
All for the servos.
Is there a
Motor
parts
mounts.
list that would tell you the length of items?
I don't think so.
There might have been.
How exciting.
What
No.
is this?
We will have to look at the one online. Those might be axles.
Nope.
There's
Those
a
aren't-
rod.
spinny boy.
Threaded rod?
I don't
It's
know
like a
what you-
long screw.
Like for a worm gear?
Maybe.
You get a
Or
worm gear next year.
Worm gear for WMI.
Confirmed?
Not confirmed. I'm not
You don't know what a
designing that.
worm gear is?
Well, yes, but I also imagine that they would just be kind of like rods that would go on some sort of arm.
Yeah. Okay, where's the motor?
Sort of.
There's one over here.
There's one on the 3D printer if you want to look at a worm
Are
gear.
these
So this goes on here.
No, those are the
And since this
those are
is
the
a
regular
screw,
compliant
it
wheels.
spins, and whatever you put
They're
on
high
here
grip.
can move.
I can get
I'll
a
show you
video and
later.
show you later.
Okay.
I'll show you.
No, I sort of understand the
Omni
concept.
wheels.
They're
Yes.
looks
supposed
like
to be
a
really
cookie.
good compared to
Their
the
Omni
others.
wheels are really nice.
They look like the Batman version compared to ours.
We got crumble secretly, everybody.
Like cookies.
I
Yeah.
have probably rejected our sponsorship. I'm just kidding. She's
No, they got us it included.
If Crumble ever wants to sponsor us,
Crumble.
we are open
If
to
you're
that
watching
opportunity.
this video, we're open to sponsors. Our email is aliensangry@gmail.com.
And we love our
Can we get that
sponsors.
confirmed?
We love Haywired.
We love our sponsors.
And we love
We love
Rocky
Haywired.
Mountain Powers.
Thank you, besties. This will greatly help us.
Yeah. Get ready to see
Battery
the Y bot
charger. Y drive.
again.
Wait.
Y drive. It's
Did they send us a battery?
Yeah, we got a battery.
another one.
This is everything but the control hub and controllers, I'm pretty sure.
We got another one. Do
Did
you
you
think
just
this
destroy
one-
that box?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it
I'm
opens from the other side.
Oh.
So we've got 3 batteries now.
3 batteries.
That means we can charge
That one looks
all
just
3
like
of
ours.
them
Yeah.
And also
This
have
one's better,
other
though.
people
3
use
out of
them.
the 6 infinity.
Pretty sure Fago's saying he uses
Oh.
Or maybe I'm just being cliche. But
Yeah.
All of the cords,
We hooked up-
different colors.
the nuts and bolts.
We need another
My
organizer.
All we need is sock and then. Just kidding.
We need another organizer.
We need another organizer.
You're gonna need like a search bar for all of this stuff.
Yes.
CAD.
Oh my god.
I've
Wow.
already
That's
been putting the
so
I
library
don't know how
together.
CAD. I don't think.
Well,
CAD
I'm
would
don't worry,
work
I'm working on
It would be very complicated. I don't think that.
it. It is. It's well, not complicated. It's annoying.
Cords and wires. Nope, nope, nope. Don't worry, we can edit this out.
We don't need to.
I was thinking
It's
there's
for
a lot
comedic
of parts
effect.
that's probably gonna get
As
edited
the
out.
local
So?
editor, we're not editing it.
Are we? So, all right. Are we concluding?
Delta,
Oh yeah.
what do you have?
I
These
have.
go on the
Those are the
bundles.
magical things
Did
that.
you just say hub bundles?
It's what they say. I'm bundled. Look at
It
that.
says bundle, not bungle.
That's what I said. I said bundle. Right? Whatever.
I kind of heard bungles too, but
You're
So-
fired.
In that are the things that are going to allow us to not have to use so many set collars.
I love that for me specifically.
Thank you.
Because
Thank
they're
you,
super grippy as you screw them
Haywired
in.
Robotics.
We are so glad to not have to
The
use
motors
as many
they
set
have.
I
collars.
do think we have a lot.
Oh,
is
it's like
mine.
an egg carton.
Why do you?
That goes to me personally.
Good for you.
That's
Cool.
Delta.
I love cardboard.
Oh, more Omni wheels. Do we have any of the little grippy non-compliant wheels?
Yes.
The geckos?
Right here.
No,
These
those
are
aren't
the
geckos.
bigger ones.
Wait, I think it came with some geckos. Yeah,
It
you get
didn't
2
come
geckos.
with- Are they the fully squishable?
Oh,
ones?
yes.
Just like the one we already have.
We have
But now we can actually use them. Thank you, Haywired.
Didn't we cut the last one up?
No, we
No.
Maybe that was something I made
We just
up.
thought about cutting it up, but then we didn't
Oh, okay.
actually cut it up.
Good.
I think
Good,
I
good.
missed this.
Those are the servo mounts.
Okay.
Delta has
No,
a
no, not servo.
no?
Those are
Motor
motor.
mount.
Motor.
motor mounts.
Basically the same
Well,
thing.
I got the mounts part correct.
Good job.
All right, guys. Now it's time to organize.
Are we gonna organize for the video, or are we doing that after?
Are we concluding? I feel like
I think it's time to conclude as we go through and see all of our new parts. What do you guys want to say?
Like and subscribe.
hey everybody, smash that bell down below.
Follow Haywired
Wow.
on
Follow
Instagram
Haywired
and
Instagram. Do they
Facebook.
have a YouTube? They have pretty sure they have a YouTube. Yeah, because
They have some YouTube videos, so we
Follow
will
them
put all
everywhere.
of the links in the description.
They went to
description,
Worlds
yes.
this year, so
Good,
go team.
amazing, good.
Not only did they go to Worlds, they won Think for their division, which
was epic. You guys did amazing.
Amazing. We're so proud of you guys and so glad to have this opportunity to keep working with you.
Go Delilah.
Yeah. Thank you, Haywired.
Yay. Bye.
Good luck next season.
You can say goodbye too, James.
I don't. Sure. Goodbye, I guess.
Yay.